In the realm of satisfying machines and ingenious tools, we find a diverse array of devices designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and interesting. From the agricultural sector, where machines like the YM Karya Grass Chopper and the Sweeres Floretting Machine revolutionize farming practices, to the construction industry, where the Dolbi HAC 5000 streamlines cotton harvesting. In the realm of music, the Vinyl Splatter adds a splash of color to the world of records. These machines, each unique in their operation, are testaments to human ingenuity and the endless pursuit of innovation and efficiency. And now let's get started. 13. Tevel Aerobotics Technologies. Tevel Aerobotics Technologies has developed a revolutionary solution to address labor shortages in fruit harvesting. Their Flying Autonomous Robots trademark, FRs, are equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms. These robots can work 24/7, identifying and picking only ripe fruits. They also serve as data agents, collecting and reporting a wide range of invaluable insights on each fruit they pick. This includes data on the total quantity harvested, individual fruit size, weight, ripeness level, and disease detection. Tevel's FARs are transforming fruit harvesting practices around the world, bringing unparalleled efficiency and cost savings to farmers. 12. YM Karya Grass Chopper Machine. The YM Karya Grass Chopper Machine is a marvel of engineering designed to simplify and enhance agricultural practices. This machine, also known as the YM 3000, is specifically designed to chop grass for livestock feed. It's capable of processing a variety of grass types, making it versatile for different farming needs. The machine is highly efficient, with the capacity to process up to 1.5 tons of grass per hour. Its design is simple yet robust, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. The YM Karya Grass Chopper Machine is not only satisfying to watch in action, but also significantly reduces the time and effort required in preparing livestock feed, truly embodying the essence of an ingenious tool. 11. MP200. The MP200 model by Golmac is a semi-automatic block-making machine designed for high productivity and ease of use. It can produce up to 9 blocks per cycle with an automatic demolding feature and mechanized drag system. The machine is powered by a 5 HP motor and features an automatic system for demolding. The chassis is reinforced with a 2-inch structural tube, and the central rods are 2 inches in diameter. The molds can be easily and quickly interchanged, making the machine versatile for different block types. This machine is designed for heavy-duty use and is ideal for businesses looking to increase their production efficiency. The MP200 is a testament to Golmac's commitment to providing high-quality machinery for the construction industry. 10. Canning Saica. Saica is a renowned company in the canning industry, known for its high-quality tomato preserves. They produce a variety of tomato derivatives exclusively for the restaurant industry, including whole-peeled tomatoes, fine tomato pulp, pizza sauce, tomato puree, diced tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes. Saica's products are made from fresh Italian-origin tomatoes, processed using innovative methodologies. The company prides itself on combining traditional wisdom in tomato processing with new technologies. This results in products of the highest quality with excellent nutritional characteristics. Saica's commitment to quality, efficiency, and sustainability has made it a leader in the canned food industry. 9. SRAML Winemaking. SRAML is a specialist in winemaking equipment, providing comprehensive solutions for the entire winemaking process. Their offerings range from grape reception and sorting solutions to distemmers, crushers, and pumps. SRAML's technology ensures gentle yet efficient processing, preserving the integrity of the grapes. Their wine presses optimize grape pressing, while their bottling solutions cater to every wine producer's specific needs. SRAML's equipment is designed for superior performance and product excellence, reflecting years of experience and innovation in the industry. 8. Giotto Evo. The Giotto Evo from FEMA Industry is a state-of-the-art electronic contour cutting machine designed for expanded and various types of plastic foams. Available in 3 models, it features 2 cutting systems, a circulating band knife and an oscillating band knife. The Giotto Evo is celebrated for its precision, reliability, and versatility. It offers high-quality cuts and maximum speed on all densities and consistencies. With its captivating design and unmatched performance, the Giotto Evo is a testament to FEMA Industries' commitment to innovation and quality in the manufacturing sector. sector. 7. Shovel production. Harsel. Harsely is a renowned company in the manufacturing industry known for its shovel production line. The production process involves several stages including uncoiling, feeding, forming, punching, wooden handle, processing, marking, and assembly. The shovel head is made of iron and can be classified as a pointed shovel or square shovel. The long handle is mostly made of wood but can also be made of iron. The production line includes machines like the uncoiler, feeders, pneumatic punch, hydraulic press, mechanical punch, wood handle machine, and a carbon dioxide marking machine. This efficient production process ensures high-quality shovels for farming, shoveling, and military use. 6. Nail aligner. A nail aligner is a specialized machine used in automated packaging lines for nails, screws, bolts, and other long steel parts. It's also known as an orientation magnet. The machine aligns these ferromagnetic metal parts in the desired position, facilitating compact packaging. It's particularly useful in industries where large quantities of nails or similar items need to be packaged efficiently. The nail aligner operates by creating a magnetic field that aligns the nails in a uniform direction. This alignment allows for more compact packaging and efficient use of space, making the nail aligner an essential tool in many manufacturing processes. 5. Vinyl splatter. Vinyl splatter is a unique aesthetic variant of vinyl records. It's created by mixing different colored pellets during the pressing process of the vinyl record. This results in a multicolored, often unique visual expression for the music contained within. The splatter effect enhances the visual appeal of the record, making each one a unique piece of art. This aesthetic alternative to traditional black vinyl has gained popularity among vinyl enthusiasts and collectors. It's not just about the music anymore. The visual presentation of vinyl records has become an integral part of the listening experience. Vinyl splatter truly adds a splash of color to the world of music. 4. LT10 Woodmiser. The LT10 Woodmiser was a portable sawmill known for its compact size and affordability. It was designed to handle logs of up to 24 inches in diameter and 11 feet in length, producing lumber up to 160 board feet per hour. However, the LT10 model is no longer available. It has been replaced by the LX55 model, which offers a larger cut capacity, more power options, and many upgraded features at an entry-level price. The LX55 continues the tradition of the LT10, providing a portable and efficient solution for small-scale sawmilling operations. 3. Rubber tiles. Alpha SPK is a company that specializes in the production of rubber tiles. They transform used tires into valuable resources with their innovative equipment. The process involves transforming the tires into crumb rubber, which is then used to manufacture high-quality rubber tiles. These tiles are a sustainable flooring solution, reducing waste and opening new revenue streams. Alpha SPK's equipment is cost-effective, energy-conscious, and has a compact footprint, making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to venture into the rubber tile production industry. Their mechanical tire recycling process prioritizes safety and sustainability, making it an eco-friendly choice. 2. Sweeres Floretting Machine. The Sweeres Floretto is a heavy-duty, compact, and continuously running floretting machine designed for efficient decoring of broccoli, cauliflower, and Romanesco. It features a continuously running intake belt combined with a motional knife construction capable of higher capacity and precision. The machine can seamlessly switch between floretting various vegetables at the push of a button. The florets and waste material leave the machine separately, ensuring the best possible end product. 1. Dolbi HAC 5000. The Dolbi HAC 5000 is a self-propelled cotton harvester designed for efficient and high-quality cotton harvesting. It's known for its superior cost-benefit ratio and is the result of a collaborative effort between INTA, APA, and Dolbi ISA. The machine is capable of harvesting cotton in various conditions, making it a versatile tool for cotton producers. Its design and functionality reflect Dolbi's commitment to providing innovative and effective solutions for the agricultural industry. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you next time.